In this video, I will show you how to report abuse on Snapchat. You can report abuse on Snapchat, including harassment, bullying, or other safety concern. How to report concern you on Snapchat or report a Snapchat account. Together, we can keep Snapchat a safe place and a strong community. Report a Snapchat account. To report someone's Snapchat account, open the Snapchat app, go to the chat screen, press and hold to a Snapchatter's name. A menu will pop up. From here, tap on Manage Friendship. Here we will find an option to report. If you want to report a profile, go to the public profile account. Find the three dot from the top right corner. Tap on Manage Friendship and tap on Report. Choose the reason you are reporting the public profile. Then type your message and submit. How to report a Snapchat story on the web. To report a story on the web, go to a story. And you will find Report Snap. Choose the reason why you are reporting on this snap and then submit. By this way, you can report abuse on Snapchat. Friend, I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and stay with the Tutorial Lab.